Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Windows lagging and slow problem. So let's get started. So the first simple fix is restarting your PC. So a simple restart fixes lag and clears temporary memory. If that doesn't solve your issue, you gotta close the background apps. To do so, you gotta press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape all together to open the Task Manager, or you can also search for Task Manager in the start. Once you're in the Task Manager, you gotta click on Processes at the left side, and you'll be able to see all of the apps that are running right now, and right beneath them, you'll be able to see the background processes. So what you gotta do is simply end all of the tasks that you don't want right now. So simply press that specific task and click on End Task at the top right, and you're good to go. And you can also disable startup programs by clicking on Startup Apps, and then you can disable any startup apps that you don't want right now. And if that doesn't solve your issue as well, you're going to head over to Settings and then go to System, and you'll be able to see Windows Updates that's written Attention Needed right here. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see a button that says Download and Install All. So make sure that your Windows is updated, because sometimes the older versions of Windows encounter the lag problem. So those were some of the ways how you can fix Windows lagging and slow problem. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.